Hey friends, welcome back in my another new video. What's going on today in your minds? I'm extremely sorry for the delay to posting a new video in my channel. I understand that for the last 7 days I was completely unable to post anything in my channel. The reason behind it, as you all know, that I am pursuing DLED. Okay, so there was a 5-day workshop in our college. So I'm totally stuck in the busy schedule in my college. Suddenly I realized that I am detached from my path and I have break my promise, as I told you that every day I will record something new and post it in my channel. And after realizing that, I understand that no more delay, as I am free today. Let's make a video, let's record something new. Yes, if you are watching this video, it would be very helpful for you. And I understand that most of my viewers watching their video their own purpose of speaking English for fluent English. I understand that. And in today's video, really I will give you a very impressive method. It will affect your fluency in English. How? Keep it watch right now. I will show you how you can be fluent in English. After a deep analysis, finally I get the point. What is the main obstacle to be fluent in English? What is the hard thing that when I start to speak English, something is working on my mind and we thought that we are not perfect. We can't express our thoughts and feelings. And the main problem is exposure. You know what is exposure? We don't have exposure. Exposure means, like, you are trying to learn English. It means English is not your mother tongue and around you, your family member, your friends, no one talk with you in English. So this is called exposure. Due to the lack of exposure, you can't express your thought, your feeling, and there is a gap. So this is the main problem. You are not fluent in English, and in today's video I will solve this problem, and how to tackle this problem I will tell you. Okay, so how? I can't believe that in the modern world you don't have any smartphone. If you have smartphone, you don't need any exposure on your hand. Our main problem, we don't know how to execute our mobile properly. First of all, we have to learn time management. We have waste lots of time. We have misuse our mobile. If you have a smartphone, first of all you have to learn how to execute it properly to improve yourself. You know, lots of time we just spend a lot in social media platform like Facebook, like Insta. First of all, you have to stop it. It will not give any benefits. It's totally a waste of time. So how to execute, how to properly use the mobile phone to be fluent in English? In today's video I'm gonna show you how can it help to improve yourself, especially in fluency in English. Okay, no more beat around the bush. Let's move on. Here you can see there is another mobile in my hand. Actually, this phone is belongs to my mom's, and keep watching how I can use it to be expert in English. First of all, I have to unlock it. Wait just a minute. Okay, it's complete. Here you can see. Okay, here you can see there is a home button. First of all, you have to press it for few seconds. Automatically there will be a option come here. Let me show you. Okay, hey, good morning.
Good morning to you too. Although it's actually evening here where I am. How can I help you today?
How are you, man?
I'm doing great, thanks. Ready to help you with whatever you need. What's on your mind today?
Actually, I need your help.
Sure thing. Lay it on me. What can I do for you?
Actually, I am recording a video, and in this video I am showing my viewers how they can use you to learn English. Would you help them?
That's a great idea. I'd be happy to help. We can practice English conversation or anything else you'd like. What kind of examples would you like to show your viewers?
Okay, now here you can see how you can use this mobile phone. You don't need any exposure. Only if you have mobile phone, you can be fluent in English easily. There is no shame, there is no means hesitation, or there is no fear of judgment, because the phone is a AI thing. So there is no shame that he will make fun. Okay, so don't you stop to use the mobile in wrong way. And if you have mobile phone, you can properly use it and you can be fluent in English. This is all about today. And okay, so I have to stop the recording of the video. I hope this video will helpful for all of my viewers, and let meet in the next video for with something new. Okay.